How to add or remove location tags when taking picture with camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app and click on this photo icon and click on settings. Now in camera settings, scroll down. You will see location tags is here. If you want to add location tag when taking picture with camera, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see location tag is add on picture. If you want to remove location tag, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see location tag is remove on take a picture. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove location tag when taking picture with camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.